Are your kids using Roblox? Mine is. Did you know that there are parental controls built in to the Roblox app that you as a parent can set up? Hi, my name is Richard Poth, and I'm a teacher and I'm a concerned parent, and I want to show you how. So come on, let's dive in. So in this video we're going to look at the parental controls in Roblox. So I've got my child's iPad here. I'm going to go into Roblox. Now I've set this up as a child account. So there is my child account there. I've set this up as @EduChild. I've got one friend there. And what I need to do now is tap on where it says more at the bottom. Then I'm going to go into settings. In your settings, you've got something that says parental controls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the parental pin. Now the first time you do this, it's going to ask you for your parent's email. So it needs to be the parent setting this up. So I'm going to add email, and I'm going to add the email address of the parent. So I'm going to add that email. Okay, a verification has gone over to that parent's email. So let's click OK. Now let's go to the parent iPad and open up that notification email. So let's click on our mail. There you can see there's a Roblox email. Let's click on that. Then we can read the verification email and then agree to validate. And now it's saying that that has now been validated. So now I can go back to my child's iPad and then I can tap on where it says parent pin. It's disabled, so let's enable it. Now it's telling you the verified email address there, and it's asking you to create a pin. This is the pin for the parent, not your child. So let's create a pin and then let's add that. Now it's asking for verification of your password. So this is the password of your Roblox account. Let's verify that. And it's saying that the pin is now set. So let's click OK. So now we have the ability to set up the parental controls for my child's Roblox account. First of all, it's looking at allowed experiences. So I can set my allowed experiences. So I'm going to set this to +9. It's asking for my PIN and unlock. Now, whose private servers can this account join? So I can tap on the menu there and I can see what's available. I can say no one or just friends. So let's keep that at friends. Monthly spend restrictions. This will allow you to restrict the amount that they can spend on their accounts. So we can turn that on and then we can update that spend restriction here. So if I wanted to spend, they can't spend more than £5 each month, and then we can save that. So we've set this screen up, all right, for parental controls. Now let's go to the account info. This is giving some information about your child, and it's also telling you that the parental email address there. Security, we can add authentication security here. I'm not going to add any of this at the moment. Privacy, this is what you're allowing your child to actually use in the messaging. Who can message your child? Well, only friends. Who can text chat within the app? So here we've got only friends, but I could also say no one. So within the app itself, they can't message anyone. Who can text chat with me? And then I'm going to say no one as well. Camera input. The camera input is whether you're going to allow Roblox to use the camera. There's other settings here. For me as a parent, the most important one is privacy, because this is allowing me to specify who my child can chat with within the app or within the chat facility within Roblox. And don't forget, you can set restrictions on the iPad for how long Roblox is being used. To find out more how you can do this, you can click on the link in the corner to take you some videos on how to set up screen time on your iPad. But very quickly, if you go into screen time on your iPad, so go into settings, go into screen time, and then what you want to do is click on app limits. Then you can add a limit. You need to enter the passcode for screen time that you would have set up. Again, check out the videos that are linked in the corner and then choose the app. So I'm going to go into social here TikTok, next, and then I can allow this maybe to be used for say 2 hours and 30 minutes a day. I can customize the days by clicking on the days here, so I can specifically say how much time TikTok can be used on a specific day, and then add. To find out more information on that, remember, click that link in the corner of the screen now. So that's setting up parental controls in Roblox. Now, what would really help me get this message out so we can support the well-being of our children is for you to like this video and subscribe to this channel and share this video with other parents. Check out my other parental support videos, including how to set up screen time on your Apple devices and TikTok. Yes, TikTok. How to set up parental controls on TikTok. Check out all these videos here.